Hi, good morning dear students. Again welcome back to our class. Today we will study the first lesson, the last stanza of this poem. Today we will finish this lesson. Next day we will start another lesson. Okay, this is the last stanza I already written on the board. Success is failure turned inside it, the silver tint of the clouds of doubt, and you never can tell how close you are. It may be near when it seems so far. So stick to the fight when you are hardest hit. It is when things seem worse that you must not quit. This is the last line of the poem. We can study one by one line. Success is failure turned inside it. Success is failure turned inside it. Inside means in. Opposite of out. Outside and inside. That means the success is also put inside the failure. Simple other meaning is that then if you want success in your life, you must face the failures also. There is a proverb, the failures are the stepping stones to success. But so we should face failures many times in our life. The last we will attain the success. For success is failure turned inside it, already inside the failure also. Success and failure are the two sides of a same coin. The silver tint of the clouds of doubt. The silver tint of the clouds. If you look into the sky, we can see the clouds. What the sky represents? The sky represents our hope. H-O-P, hope. If you saw this clouds, like this clouds, then the side of these clouds, we can see one silver line. In every clouds, just like an outline, we can say silver line. This silver line represents our hope. If you look at the sky, the clouds gives a message to us. It gives a hope to us. The silver tint, this is the silver tint. Silver tint means the outline, just like an outline of a cloud in silver color. The silver tint of the clouds of doubt. We have doubt in our mind. Can we success? Doubt. There are two types of clouds, two kinds of clouds, dark clouds and white clouds. The dark clouds that represent our doubts, our failures, our negatives, our mistakes, our shortcomings. But the white clouds that represent our success. Is it clear? Two types of clouds or two kinds of clouds, dark clouds and white clouds. White clouds represent success, the dark clouds represent our doubt or our negatives, our problems. The silver tint of the clouds of doubt. Then, and you never can tell how close you are. Maybe, for example, this is our target, this point is our target. Now we are standing just near here. You are standing just near here. This is your target or this is your goal or this is your aim in your life. Now you are just standing just near your goal. After some days you will attain or you will catch this goal. But actually you may think that the goal is more distance. But actually the goal is near to us, near to me, near to you. So don't quit your target. And you never can tell how close you are. Close means near. We can't say how closer, how many distances to attain this goal. We can't understand it, but actually we are standing next near our goal. But there is a misunderstanding and doubts in our mind, we can attain the goal. So that's why we will stop our work. But the poet says that don't quit your work because your goal, your target, your aim in your life is just standing near you. And you never can tell how close you are. It may be near. It may be near. It means your goal, your target, your aim, that may be near when it seems so far. But actually, you are thinking that it was so far, more distance. The goal is, we can't attain the goal because it seems so far. It may be near when it seems so far. So stick to the fight when you are hardest. So stick, you stand there in a position, you continue your work. It is a fighting. It is just like a fighting. You continue, stick and continue your work. Maybe when you are in hardest hit, the failure will number of times hit you, failures. But don't upset you, never mind it and continue your work up to catch your goals. When you are hardest hit, hardest time also, difficult time also, you should continue your work. And it is when things seem worse, sometimes the things, your circumstances, your conditions, your atmosphere may be worse. Worse means bad. That is not good. When it is when things seems worse, W-O-R-S-T, worse, bad, best, worse. The things, your circumstances, your conditions, your atmosphere, your environment may be bad. That is not good for you, but you should continue your work. Then that you must not quit. At that time also, you must not quit your work. Is it clear? This is a explanation of the last stanza of our poem. Once again, I will recite the poem. Listen. Success is failure turned inside it, the silver tent of the clouds of doubt, and you never can tell how close you are. It may be near when it seems so far, and stick to the fight when you are hardest hit. It is when things seem worse that you must not quit. So, even the negative situation, even the difficult situations, you should continue your work and still all the work you should continue. Don't stop your work because your aim or your target that is very near to us, very near to you, but you can't understand it and you are thinking that that was very so far. Or even the negative situation also. Don't quit your work, continue your work. The studies, learning, acquiring the knowledge. There is no stop for this work activities. It is a continuous process. Don't stop your studies. Don't stop your learning. In your life, you will have a goal or aim in your life. To attain the goal, you should work the hard work in your life. You should conduct the hard work in your day and night. 24 hours work is compulsory. Everybody only will get a 24 hours. Doctor will get 24 hours. Or collector will get 24 hours. I will also get 24 hours. You will also get 24 hours. Every people or everybody in the world are getting only 24 hours in a day. But how to use the time, that is important to you. Your success depends upon that factor. You should not waste your time. Your time is precious. Every minute, every moment that is precious. Do something for your life. Do something for your career. And in that way, you should develop that type of habit, that type of attitude in your life. And in that way, you can attain a very good success in your life. The failure will come. Don't never attain. But you try to get the success. And your life became very beautiful, and you can also give a message to others about your life. And this class, the first lesson already completed, and with the video part, you will get the PDF note also. And this first you should write the 12-line poem in your fair copy, only 12 line. Then word meaning, question answers, some other work also. So, that work is some entirely different from your textbook. And you should write all the work in your fair copy and study very serious in your home. Okay. The next day we will meet again. Thanks all.